Hi, hello everybody. I would like to show Midjourney Alpha, the alpha version, where you basically go on midjourney.com/x. So literally comes up like this. And it is probably arguably the best image generation model that exists out there. And now it doesn't have to happen through a Discord channel and with complex prompting with like /imagine and so forth. You can now actually use it in a much more usable or user-friendly. And I would like to quickly showcase how this works. So one thing that you can do is you can write it in here. Let's say Chihuahua, but before I do that, I would like to get inspired of what exists. Yeah, you can get with that randomize button. You can always like get different like images that have been generated and that capture your mind. You can see what is hot, currently rated as quite hot. Yeah, okay. Here is this tower that maybe I like, and I think I'm gonna generate a Chihuahua in Seoul, Korea. So I want to first search for Chihuahua. Is it written like this? Yeah, Chihuahua like this. Chihuahua. And yeah, I'm basically just taking that prompt. It looks quite nice. Aspect ratio 4:7, stylization is 250. I'll take that. I get inspired by that. And I also add Chihuahua in Green Garden in Seoul, Korea. Golden hour, photorealistic. Yeah, and you can basically set up various kind of settings. Image size can be landscape. I think, yeah, I like landscape. You can even do it further, 2:1. Maybe I'll even keep that. Stylization, I think that was 250, so I'll make it like 300. Weirdness, a Chihuahua in Seoul, so I think give it a bit of more weirdness. Variety, it will suggest us 4 different images, so I think the image, yeah, they can vary a lot, so we maybe go on from that. And yeah, what kind of mode we are using? I'd say the raw mode, version 6, and then, so basically which model do we want to use? Model 6, version 6 is the best. There's also Niji 6, which is focused on sort of like anime images. So I would stick with 6 as we want to do a photorealistic one. And the speed is basically how fast do we want to have it? Do we want to have it fast, turbo, or relaxed? Yeah, that basically speaks to the performance of how fast this image is being generated. I'll just leave it on fast. Okay, and like this I submit it. Okay, it's submitted. You see it. It's here under create. It has a 0 from 1. Let me take a look at it. And you see it's working, 28, 30%. Here's as long as this goes here. Here's an archive of things that has been already generated. They have this feature of rooms where you can sort of like collaborate on kind of like daily themes or some general chaos, and and actually not really collaborate, but you basically show each other the images. And this feature is quite good, especially for Midjourney, I think, for improving or informing their product or their models. Which images do people like most? And then these images are having the strongest signal in terms of like training the model. Yeah? Here, with like just clicking on 1 or 2, you can select which one it is. Here, it's for me, the right one is better than the left one. Here would be the left one better because I see 3 people. I like this more. I like here I like this golden hour left moment. Yeah, and like this, you can basically like give feedback and help them. You can even rate ideas, submit ideas, assign points to ideas, the ability to create vector images. Sounds good. Yeah, and basically contribute to their ideas. Then there's a leaderboard ideas, which probably gives us a strong indication on what's next at Midjourney. Improve hands and fingers, of course. Yeah, that's a very common problem. And they have also this news button. So they introduce this 1K club and so forth. All right, I go back to the create button. And we see our Chihuahua in Seoul. I don't really see it. It's actually, here's another, that's probably speaking to the weirdness. We have weird 1200, as you see. Yeah, I think this is not so well. So I would say, let's take this one. Let's vary it strongly. But actually, I don't want to vary it strongly. I want to vary a region. I'm taking a region. I select the region here, and I call this part Lotte Tower Seoul, Korea in the background, and a comma. Job submitted. Perfect. You can close that. Should be, it's working. And you can also do all kinds of things. You can say, okay, I'll take this one and vary it strongly. That's actually another submission of images. You can rerun it, you can zoom in, you can change the aspect ratio. So this is much more user-friendly, and it's very fast to get like some really great outcomes here. All right, and here is what has been generated. Here, I mean, given this aspect ratio, you cannot really squeeze in the Lotte Tower, but we could also zoom out, zoom to X, no, it's fine. But yeah, this is what has been generated. And then I actually also just varied this image. But yeah, I think you can try out and yeah, create many different images. If you are looking for some inspiration, you can definitely take it here, yeah. And I wish you good luck.